What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a wonderful day. We're breaking it down once again with the E-mini contract. We're going to be looking over the day's price action. Not going to go into too much detail, just kind of give you guys the rundown of what occurred today, give you some destinations, look at the daily and the weekly time frames, as not much has happened on the monthly. So we'll look at the daily and the weekly time frames. First and foremost, if you guys are enjoying the content, please leave a like down below. And if you don't mind, leave a comment in the sections down below. Comment something. Let me know how you're liking the videos. If it's anything I could do better, pronunciate better. If there's anything I can do better to bring better content, let me know. If there's more stocks you'd like me to bring involved, because I typically only look at the S&P 500 E-mini. First and foremost, I believe I already said that, but let's go ahead and just break it down on a 30-minute time frame here. That's what we're looking at. Kind of got my little profile up. Any of you guys know this is what my chart looks like normally, is with all these destinations. But let's just go over what has happened in the past 3 days. So, past 3 days, Thursday, Friday, and then today. Thursday, we had a big trend day up, right? Resulting in a bit of a P shape and a double distribution, double distribution day, where we have one set of single prints here and then another set of single prints here. Friday, we've had a double distribution day down with a bit of a B shape for long liquidation. And we filled the first set and then dipped our toe into the second set down below in the lower end of the bottom distribution. Held that for the most part as shorts came in and covered. And then today, and then we ended Friday with an inside day, right? Inside day, wanting to come out of it one way or the other. Then today we had a kind of a rotational day. Not a lot happened. Another inside day, as we didn't take out the high nor the low of Friday, or our balance high or our balance low down here at 40.75. Um, so, rotational day, not a lot happened, not a lot occurred. I got involved early on in the morning, made my money, got out of the market as I didn't really see much. The only opportunity I seen was maybe after an F period, we pulled back and then rotated up higher. We filled the set of single prints from the double distribution day down on Friday. We filled this set of single prints. So if I bring up my destinations, you will see that this area here is been traded back and forth through several times, meaning that that location no longer exists. Was you were looking to fill that area, right? As they become something to lean on during that day, you kind of want to fill it, and if you can't, then so you can kind of see that something is happening in the market. I did not label any of the time frames today, as I normally do, A through M, but hopefully you guys understand that A through M are all 13 time frames. But today we opened up slightly above the 10 point of control, 10 POC from Friday, opened above it, pulled back, touched it, and didn't get near the day's low. Rotated up, attempted to go trend a few times in the day, and we could not hold trend. It didn't happen. We attempted in B period, it filled in C. We attempted in C period, that filled in D, and then we attempted in D period, and then that filled in E period. Meaning, we just couldn't take out the day's high, couldn't take out that previous day's high, and rotated lower. Before liquidating everybody that was getting long, thinking we would take out the day in F period, we liquidated all those people, accumulated some more shares down here, and then rotated and distributed up higher. And as you can see, that got sold down, and before we popped back up near the high in M period late in the day. So that's basically it. Just a 10 wide point of control. We rotated back and forth through this 75.75 level. 75.75 was an area. Buyers and sellers were both happy. So we got another 10 wide point of control here today on the 20th. An inside day, we do have the Fed rate hike decision coming out this week. And then we will look to see what they do. And then I believe we have Jerome's testimony on Wednesday. So we got a lot going on this week. a lot that the algorithms can kind of take advantage of. A lot of uneducated traders will trade based on that news. I do recommend maybe sitting out the first hour and a half of the day tomorrow and then Wednesday just to let things shake out, let the market become more readable, and then trade against whatever MGI or market generated information that comes out. Um, so, with that being said, keep that in mind. Maybe keep your stops wide and size reduced going into tomorrow if you are trading tomorrow and Wednesday. After that, we should have a pretty good indication of which way this market wants to go as we are in balance, and then I'll show you that on the daily and the weekly time frames. All right, so we got today's high. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that bad boy here at 89.50. 89.50 was the day's high. 89.50, double inside day. So whichever way we come out of this inside day, this little consolidation area, we either look for it to A, fail and then rotate back down and take out the previous day's low. B, take out the previous day's high and have continuation, and then you hop on the train to let this thing squeeze out. Or C, rotate down, take out the day's low, fail, come back in and attempt to take out the day's high. Or D, take out the day's low and continue lower with continuation, and you hop on the train to the downside. So those are like your four scenarios. You either fail or you continue, right? Either direction. And that's what we're going to be looking for either tomorrow or the next day, Wednesday. So just marking our high day here at 89.50. We're going to call F period an afternoon pullback low because we did pull back just slightly below the open and then bounce pretty heavily. Low there was 54. Great buying opportunity as we did rotate up another 30 handles to the upside. So anybody that did buy against the open and maybe had their stop below the day's low profited tremendously. I kind of missed out on that trade as I was at the gym. I would have really enjoyed making that trade. Typically, there's a setup that I look for. That's something that's in my wheelhouse. That is the afternoon pullback low trade setup. Typically, it's the first time frame in the evening, or excuse me, the afternoon that takes out the previous time frame's low. So not an E period, but F period in any time frame after that. So F period pullback, we held the open and then we rotated up higher and never seen that low again, right? So we want to see if there are buyers there coming into tomorrow if we pull back to it, which more than likely, if we do pull back to it, we're probably going straight through it. And then we have today's low day down here at 46.75. Low day down here at 46.75. Go ahead and mark that. Boom, boom, boom. Low day. All right. So inside day, double inside day. Whichever way we come out of this whole balance area, we should find pretty good steam out of, right? I mean, I'll show you on the daily here, but basically, I don't know why it's not letting me. All right, whatever. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's right. My mouse is broken. Basically, this whole range here is our balance area. I don't know why it's not. Whatever. You guys get what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and look at the larger time frame, and I can show you there what I'm talking about. So far, the outside week down failed pretty tremendously as we did not get much extension. So we're looking at our weekly time frame right now. And we broke our weekly balance low with an outside week down. Last week, we took out that weekly low, but did not get much extension below that weekly low and before rotating back inside the balance area. So I think maybe for now, we're just going to say that we went from down to balance. We haven't quite yet taken out last week's high, but right now, things are looking pretty good to take out that high there at 39.99, which is a pretty key level. 4,000 level. If we get through that tomorrow, we should bring this market into a balance, and then your next destination on the weekly side is 4,082.25. So weekly, we're going to say down to balance is how we're going to label it. So basically just saying that we are inside of this trading range. Let me go ahead and label this low here, 46.25. Right? Yep, 46.25. 38, 46, 25. Or yeah. So we'll label that as our balance low for now. Basically, just trading inside this range from 4,082 to 38, 46, 25. Ugh, numbers are hard. All right, let's go ahead and look at our daily time frame. Daily, as you can see, we're trading in that balance range. I believe our daily balance looks a little bit different. This is our daily balance. This is our 4-day balance low. Technically more of our 6-day now. We can say 6-day balance because we have a double inside day. Now 46, 6-day balance low, 6-day balance high. Whichever way we come out of this should come out with some steam, as we had a double inside day here. You want to see us come out, have continuation to the upside, get above the 50, or rotate lower, come out to the downside, and then find acceptance below the 200-day moving average. So far, we're just chopping back and forth between the 20 and the 200-day moving average inside of this 39.99 high range to 38.40.75 low range. So you can expect a whole lot of chop back and forth in here until we come out of this trading range. With all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Once again, leave a like if you are new here, subscribe, and if there's anything I can do better, please leave a comment below if there's something you'd like me to check out, or maybe explain more on the terminology of market profile that I use. Other than that, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hope you all have a great day. See ya.